Hey, this solution tutorial where how to see OpMan installation on Windows Server. Let's go. This is OpMan. This is a network monitoring software. Is a very powerful tools. This is monitor software active visibility performance with a network monitoring, physical versus wireless monitoring. One monitoring, Cisco CCI, storage monitoring, distribution network monitoring, network virtualization tool. Let's just we download here, click here. It is Windows and I have already downloaded this software. Just click and download. Uh, Download history. I have already downloaded. Just open and click. Yes. Just next, and the simple way installation. We are already in installation. Just you can next. I have to you have to installation this. Just now we are search of admin. First time is a live is admin. This is powerful. First time you are logging admin and safe. You have to get report. Here is details for security, virtualization, for server, how to add device,